Record it. Is that one on recording?
Yes, it's recording.
Hey guys, we're in 3rd of July and we're lighting off fireworks. Here they come. Someone's gonna light them off. I would face it right.
My mom will.
Robin's mom is lighting off the fireworks and taking a sweet time.
You know my mom's slow. And here they go.
And here it starts. Now.
Oh yeah. Look at this.
Now that's called a shower. Oh yeah.
Shut up. Bro. Shut up. You're ruining the YouTube video.
I'm not even on it.
Yeah, hold this.
I'm just doing a YouTube video. That's all. I just pointed at the fireworks. That's all.
Brooke, get out of the way.
Brooke,
Move. Okay, here we go
do you
with
want
another
to be
firework.
dancing in front of the camera, then knock it off? Ooh. I ain't playing.
That was a dud.
Be quiet, cause I'm
Sorry,
doing.
be quiet. We're doing a YouTube video.
Yeah,
But I'm still using it.
Don't you get your girls? You can do it on the balance seat. She's taking it.
I can't. Wait, should we go face it towards my room? We're going to do some fireworks.
I love fireworks, yeah.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Should light it. Okay, it's lit.
Light it. Hey guys, Bailey, be quiet. We're doing a YouTube video.
We're doing a YouTube video. Here we go. I can't wait until your YouTube channel blows up with lights in it.
Yeah, it's not really on YouTube. It's just for showing people. I bring my tablet to Park Bergen and show everyone the YouTube video.
You should post it on YouTube.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that. Can you actually do that? With Regal, you like doing this? Yeah, my sister was in the way. Sorry guys, my sister was in the way. She's just taking her sweet time like a geezer, like she's 30 years old. Oh, you're red. Look, see guys? Look up in that tree. Can you see it on that?
No. We're just going to watch these ones. Oh, I think this is the big one.
Here comes we think this is the hugest one.
Oh, this is a good one.
Here's the greatest one.
It was a mortar shell. It's a mortar shell.
That only does one bullet?
One. Only one.
No more mortar shells! No more blows or we're gonna kill you!
No, those ones are the best ones ever. This is too rude. Let's blow things up. Oh, here we go. I think this is
all the way up!
Back up. We're doing a YouTube video, so be quiet.
What's that? My water?
There we go.
Is this another mortar?
Yes?
Incoming!
Please be good.
Is this a long one?
I got some of that. I just
I
got.
told you there was more of those. Let's sit in that so we can see up better.
No.
What? Are you scared?
No! Piper is! No! Annabelle.
Yeah, let's go down there.
Yeah, just don't make it that high or I'm gonna kill you.
And plug your ears when you do it. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
This is kind of scary. I'll just move to the side.
There we go. We're doing more mortar shells.
I want to have my head protected. Ooh, I got some of that.
Huh?
The roof is covering it.
That's why I said let's go out.
Yeah.
Let's go near my grandma.
Where's your grandma at?
Right over there in the motorized wheelchair.
At least I know if it tips over, you can run. Hey, stand in front of my car. Bailey and Bentley, come here.
Cause these are coming too.
Yeah, let's sit over here.
Or like stand on that side. You guys can still see it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, we can get a better view.
High up. We don't get to see it up in the sky, but we do get to see shoot the fireworks off. Yeah, guys, don't be quiet, cause I'm doing a YouTube video.
Here we go, here we go. Going up in the air, going up.
Oh, I totally got the whole thing.
Yes.
I'm all
Our
the way up.
YouTube channel is gonna blow up with likes and loves. Let's go.
Give me love, man. Hey, it's just me and Robert doing this YouTube video. I know a lot of our sisters are like a teenager and a grown up.
I'm a teenager, so.
And my teenager brother that is a weirdo. That we don't.
Okay, okay. One.
Brookie, my Brookie. My Sonny. My Sonny. Yeah, when it hits the car and blows up, we're gonna all be dead.
Here we go.
I don't know. I bet this one's gonna be done. Jeez. I have no more. Come on, girls. Selfie time. I'll take a picture. No, everybody in it.
We're doing a YouTube video with
Hey, come on, Robert. Get over here. Let's go. We're just gonna blow this up.
Our YouTube channel's gonna blow up with likes.
We're not rich, but we are famous about this now. We're
Yeah.
gonna get $1 million.
We're gonna get 1 million views. What you mean? Here goes a northern mortar shell.
You're gonna do nothing more.
over here now.
Let's go this way. Yeah.
Picture time, girls.
No picture time in front of us.
There we go.
Shit.
Hey, you guys the house is on fire. Okay.
I accidentally just cussed.
One landed over there and went out.
Sorry, guys. I said a bad word.
We're only kids.
We're just kids. I freak out, then I say a bad word.
Oh, 8 minutes. This could be like a 20-minute video. Just face it towards that, and then whenever it goes up in the air and blows up, you just get the whole thing.
Yeah.
Wait, is there any more of those mortar shells? I think there's another one.
Is this our last mortar shell?
Ted, is there any more?
Okay. I'm gonna pee my pants. I want to pee my pants. Can
Here.
you hold this? I
Yeah.
need to go pee.
Go ahead, go to the bathroom.
I need to go pee.
A little bit. She's talking.
The baby's talking.
Mom,
Oh,
we're gonna get like 1 million views on this.
I'm helping you.
No, I don't need help.
Yes, you do.
Bentley didn't come out yet.
The baby was talking.
Yeah, she talks.
I hope there's no more mortar shells.
Your age.
Scared Bentley really bad.
She had to kind of had to have help too.
Let's go, buddy.
Thanks for taking hold.
Oh, there's a lot of kids.
There ain't no more of the mortar shells, I don't think.
Oh, thank God.
I love the mortar shell. We did one before the July even came, and it was so cool. We lit it in the middle of the road, blew up, and stayed up in the air real quick. And stayed there, and then boom, blew up again.
Hey guys, we don't know if we have no more mortar shells. Just don't pee your pants, cause like I did, I almost peed my pants.
It's so awesome. We're only doing it on the 3rd of July and 4th. We're saving the giant ones for the 4th.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
I won't be here tomorrow.
Aw, man.
Night.
I wish you can leave your tablet with me. I can take the whole video.
Yeah, you could, but I'm gonna. Yeah, but don't break it. If you break the screen, you are gonna.
I know this. My tablet was messed up. My tablet
Always
started
keep it at the wood one. Always keep it at the wood, and don't drop it. Like I dropped my sister's.
I know. I take care of tablets. I had a phone over a year. You think I'm gonna break a tablet?
Is that all we're doing? Is that all the murder shells? Because I am not. I'm scared of them.
And Billy talked to a couple of the
They said it's at the swimming pool.
You can't even see my sister. See?
They got one little kid said he went 3 times just to the pool after the club program and everything, later that day. And he ended up getting 3 different times.
We're gonna do this, and it's gonna be mine and your channel.
ready to lay. They were still
Our channel's gonna blow up.
Yeah, you're done.
And I wish you actually put this on.
You're done.
So I've been like,
Come on, guys. Let's get started.
I can put it. My sister made a YouTube video.
Out of this, out of like this side. I'm gonna type in Rogers and
11 minutes and 30 seconds.
Bentley's famous fireworks show. In the middle of the road for a truck to blow up.
I'm gonna go work Speaker's headline.
I told you to quit. It's not my sister.
Hey, don't worry. I did the same thing, but
Wait, are we doing any more?
check my real quick.
Is there any more? Thank you. Is there? I want the puppet. I want the Hershey's. Hey guys, it's me, Bentley. We're gonna the firework. My sisters and my mom are gonna go get some more fireworks. So see you in like about 20 minutes. No,